Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avirash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of EURJPY, Euro Japanese Yen for 29th March 2021. So this video and analysis is for 29th March only. You'll see me tomorrow again with the analysis for 30th March 2021. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. And as I've also already mentioned in my other videos that the main motto of this channel is to educate you, not to provide signals. That's why I try to explain the levels where you should trade and why you should trade. Okay, because I want you to become an independent trader. Okay, that's why I try to explain everything. Okay, instead of just providing the levels. So hopefully you have understood the main purpose of this channel. So let's take out the pencil and let's jump to the chart. So as we all know, EURJPY was in beautiful uptrend. Okay, but here in this section, okay, it broke the 50 moving average. Before that, EURJPY was in perfect uptrend. Okay, making higher highs, taking support at the 50 moving average. Okay, but here at this portion, the market broke the resistance, and after that you can see that this is the current market position. Okay. And after opening here in the last week, here market went up but faced resistance from the 50 moving average here. So this became very clear to us that the 50 moving average, which was a support for the market, became the resistance. So the support became the resistance. So here I have mentioned 50 moving average as the resistance for the market. Okay. And right now you can see that market is just at the 50 moving average. So EURJPY is in a very lucrative position to short the market. And you can see that market is also in overbought zone. Okay, so all the things are adding up. Okay, but we need to look for, the only thing is that there will be a gap up or gap down open on Monday. Okay, I don't know where the market will open. So when market will open, just observe the price. Okay, in normal days, this is a perfect position or the best position to short the market. But as on Monday, we do not know where the market will open. So when after the market opening, okay, just observe the price, how the price is doing or how the price reacts. If you see that after market opening, okay, 50 moving average is still a valid resistance for the market and providing resistance to the market, and market is about to go down or market is about to reverse from here, then you can short the market. Just short the market. Okay, just get the confirmation from the Monday morning that whether it is allowing the 50 moving average to act as a resistance or not. If you see that after market opening, yes, 50 MA is still a resistance, you can short the market because it is in overbought zone, and right now it seems that it is struggling. If the struggle is confirmed, it's a good trade. So simple analysis for EURJPY. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for the regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. See you tomorrow again. Bye bye.